Hey guys, it's Ches. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making the Funfetti Scrolls from the Taste website. It's a free recipe that I'll link in the description below. The ingredients you're going to need are self-raising flour, caster sugar, unsalted butter, full cream milk, hundreds and thousands, an egg, raw sugar, red or pink food dye, soft icing mixture, and cinnamon. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees or 160 degrees fan forced. Grease a slice pan on the base and the sides. Sift 2 1/4 cups of flour and 1 tablespoon of caster sugar into a large bowl. Gently mix and create a well. Add 50 grams of chopped and softened butter. Using your fingertips, gently combine the dry mixture with the butter until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. In a jug, preferably bigger than the one I used, mix 1 egg with 160 milliliters of milk. Add the milk mixture to the dry mixture and use a flat-bladed knife to mix. Add as many hundreds and thousands as you wish. This is used to colour the dough. Knead, then turn onto a lightly floured surface. Roll into a rectangle about 30 centimeters by 40 centimeters. Now spread 75 grams of very soft butter as well as half a cup of sugar onto the dough. When doing this, make sure you leave 1 centimeter along the long side. Sprinkle on a few hundreds and thousands. This is just for decoration. Sprinkle half a tablespoon worth of cinnamon. Carefully roll up from the filled long side. Line your greased baking tray with baking paper ready for the scrolls to be placed in. Cut along the rolled up dough. Begin to place them on your baking tray. These will go in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until they're no longer soft. While this is cooking, make and colour the icing according to the mixture. When the scrolls are ready, take them out of the oven and out of their baking tray. Once they've been separated, drizzle the icing over. Add extra hundreds and thousands and then they're ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.